Hello students, welcome to financial accounting class. In the previous class we were dealing with the methods of branch accounting, that is calculation of information, that is what is the amount of profit being made by the head office when the goods are supplied by the head office for cash as well as on credit. Today we'll be seeing with the third method, that is when the goods are supplied by the by the head office at invoice price. Okay, so here the goods are being sent to the head office at invoice price. Now when do the head office send how do you recognize whether this goods are being sent to the to the branch at invoice price? Now we have seen this in consignment also, that is the goods are being sent to the branch, okay, at by increasing by adding the amount of profit to the cost price, and then sending the price to the branch. Okay, that is the goods are being sent above the cost price. That is the goods are being sent to the branch above the cost price, that is not at cost price but more than the cost price, wherein a percentage of profit is being added to the cost price, and then the selling price is being informed to the branch, that is at the price which has been quoted by the head office, that is the invoice price that has been quoted by the head office. At that price the goods are to be sent by the are to be sold by the branch. Okay, so here the goods are sent above the cost price, that is the branch adds the head office, it's not branch, it should be corrected over here. The head office adds percentage of profit on cost price, and that is called as invoice price method. Okay, when the goods are supplied to branch above the cost price, and to know the exact amount of profit, the following entries are to be passed. Apart from the accounts that we have seen in the previous method, okay, apart from the accounts, these are the different entries to be passed to know the exact amount of profit being made, because we don't know what is the amount of profit being made by the percentage of profit being made by the head office. Okay, so to know the exact amount of profit being made by the branch, okay, when the goods are being sold at when the goods are to be sold at invoice price, then the following entries are being passed. The first one is for adjustment of excess price in opening stock. So what is the journal entry there? Stock reserve account debit to branch account. Second one, for adjustment of excess price in goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Third one, for adjustment of excess price in goods returned in by branch, then what is the entry? Goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. And the third one, for adjustment of excess price in closing stock, then what is the entry? Branch account debit to stock reserve account. Okay, next. Now we will, that is apart from the accounts that we are supposed to prepare, that is branch account, goods sent account, debtors account, and so on. Apart from those accounts, these are the additional entries, journal entries to be passed in the books of head office, so that they get to know the exact amount of expenses or the exact amount of profit being made by the head office. Okay, that is the exact amount of profit being made by the branch. Okay, so we will check in one problem. Intel company has a branch in Belgium and has been instructed to send all cash received to head office on daily basis. So what is it being said? that Intel company is a branch of whom? Of a head office, and this head office has instructed Intel company to send the goods on regular basis to head office. Okay. Next, all its expenses are paid by the head office. From the following information, prepare branch account and branch debtors account in the books of head office. Stock on 1/1/2018. This is nothing but the opening stock at invoice price. Okay. Opening stock 20,000. Stock on 31/12/2018. Invoice price 25,000. Goods sent to branch, invoice price 1 lakh. Goods returned by branch, invoice price 1,600. Cash sent for salary 24,000, rent 6,000, stationery 3,000, petty cash 4,000. Total of this is 34,400. Next, cash received from debtors 60,000, cash sales 58,600, credit sales 70,000, goods returned by customer 5,000. And next, discount allowed to customer 3,000. Branch debtors on 1/1/2018, that is nothing but opening debtors, which is 8,000. Branch debtors on 31/12/2018 is to be found out. Petty cash on 1/1/2018 is 200, and petty cash of branch on as on 31/12 is 400. The goods are invoiced by Belgaum branch at 20% profit on sales. Okay, so with this information we got to prepare which account? Branch account, branch debtors account in the books of head office. Okay, so I hope you have written down the question. We will continue with the solution in the next class. Thank you.